You can launch a teaser for the upcoming website to give your site visitors an idea of what to expect. This is your chance to collect leads, research the market, and keep your visitors engaged while providing a sneak peek of your future website. This page is usually called under construction or coming soon, and in this video we'll show 2 ways of creating one. If you're just starting with your website, you can pick a ready-made template for the coming soon page. For that, enter your account, click on Create Site, and tick the Pages section of the template library. You'll see options, pick one that looks best to you. Now add your images and content, for example, let your visitors know the ETA for the website or offer an incentive. You can now upgrade this site and connect a domain to it which you can already use to promote in social media or elsewhere. In the meantime, proceed to the primary website. Once you are done, you'll be able to reconnect your domain and launch your new business page. Another option will suit if you are redesigning an existing website. In this case, open the site's editor, navigate to the Pages menu and click to add a new page. This will be your future under construction page, so name it accordingly. Once the page is there, make it a home page by pressing the relevant icon. Now, open the page in the editor and hide the header and footer. Even if there are dozens of pages on your site, your visitors won't be able to open them from the under construction page as there won't be any menu. Now, design this page to your liking. It's important to let your visitors know why they see this page and when the site is launched. We recommend adding a text block for the main message plus a countdown for the launch. To collect leads, add a contact form. Later, you'll be able to notify these people that the site is online. When you are ready to launch your new site, simply set a new home page and you are good to go.